Okay, so today we'll be changing the stock side mirrors with the big toe mirrors. So I got it. Okay, we're gonna be replacing these torn mirrors, the regular stock mirrors. First thing we need to do is with a flat screwdriver or a tab puller, just go ahead and pull this out here, this one here, take that one off. It's missing, so that saved me some work. And then just pull this panel off. Yes, you have to remove the small panel there. Snaps right off. Once you do that, remove these 3 screws here, and the mirror should fall off from there. Have someone hold it or one hand. Then just pull the panel off. If you're doing it by yourself, you can clamp the bottom, make it stay. These are the 2 wires. The harness coming from the mirror. Just go ahead and undo those. Snaps right on or off. The new ones will snap right back on its place, and you're good to go. You put it all back together. Okay, I have taken off the harness. What I'm gonna do next is just remove this. I believe it's with a 10mm. Not deep enough, so I'm gonna get my socket. Okay, now I got my dip socket on there. Go ahead and remove this. If you're doing this by yourself, have someone hold it. Do one at a time, because this will fall off. It has like a snap-on, so it kind of holding on there, but you just want to be safe. You can see the mirror kind of dropped. So from here on, I'm gonna do it by hand. You can lower down the window, so you can kind of stick your hand through here, grab it with one hand, while you undo this nuts on the inside. What you want to do, you want to fit the wires through this main hole in here. Fit him through them. Then I'm just going to go around and tighten it up. Then you always want to come back and tighten up the screws. Make sure they're nice and tight, nice and snug. All 3 of them. Then what we're going to do next, run the wires of the harness the same way you took the other one off. Slide it in through there. Make your connections same way you took them off. If yours came with the option for the reverse lights, you will use this gray and white wire. The white and gray wire, you run it right the same way. You run it to the side panel, in through here, back inside, under the drivers, and into the hood, and into the fuse box. Should be the backup fuse box, I believe. Every truck is different. It's a 2009 Chevy Silverado 1500. everything is working just fine. I'll check the heater or the heat on the mirror. The blinker's working. Everything seems to be working. The Mama Lona. And we out. Hit and subscribe.